नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् जितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावना नमस्तेस्तु ऋषिकेश महापुरुषपूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मि सृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यात् जगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः यश्वेतस्य उत्तरशैलः शृङ्गवान् इति विश्रुतः त्रीणि तस्य तु शृङ्गाणि यैरयं शृङ्गवान् स्मृतः दक्षिणं चोत्तरं चैव मध्यं विषुवतं तथा शरद्वसन्तयोर्मध्ये तद्भानुः प्रतिपद्यते मेषादौ च तुलादौ च मैत्रेय विषुवं स्मृतं तदा तुल्यम् अहोरात्रं करोति तिमिरापहः दशपञ्चमुहूर्तं वै तदेतत् उभयं स्मृतम् श्वेतस्य उत्तरः शैलः so in the northern portion of Shvetadvipa you have a mountain which has three shringas, which has three peaks, and each one of those is called, one is the Dakshina peak, the other is Uttaram Uttara Shringaha, Madhye tu Vishuvatam iti Uktam. This is a physical representation of the Dakshinayanam, Uttarayanam and the equinox which falls in between the two of them. So Uttaram to Dakshinam, the day that in the middle of that you have the equinox, wherein Samam Tulyam Ahoratram. Ahahacha Ratrischa Tatra Tulyataya Vartante. There is no, there is an equanimity between the two. This is during equinox. Where there are 15 muhurtas. So in a day you have totally 30 muhurtas, and on that particular day, equinox day, both day and night will share equally 15 muhurtas each. Now we'll have to start from the 71st. Prathame Kritika Bhage Yada Bhaswan Tada Shashi Vishakhanam Chaturthemshe Mune Tishtati Asamshayam. Prathame Kritika Bhage Yada Bhaswan Tada Shashi. Whenever Bhaswan, the Surya, is in Kritika Nakshatra, Tada Shashi Vishakhanam Chaturthyamshe Tishtati Asamshayam. Nischayena Tatra Shashi, the moon stands in the Vishakha Nakshatra. So this is a correspondence to wherever the sun is, what is the position of the moon when the sun is in this particular position. So Kritika Bhage Bhaswan Yedi Tishtati Tadatu Vishakha. So these two are like in opposite directions here. I think when you look at the constellations also, it will be on two opposite sides. You will find videos on this, how the sun and the moon go around the constellations. Okay, so Yada Bhaswan Kritika Bhage Vartate Tada Shashi Vishakhanam Chaturthe Amshe. On the fourth pada of Vishakha, Shashi Tishtati, the moon stands there. Vishakhanam Yada Suryaha Charati Amsham Tritiyakam. When the sun goes to the third pada of Vishakha, Chandram Vijaniyat Kritika Shirasi Sthitam. Chandra, the moon, is at the head of Kritika Nakshatram. That is in the first pada. Tada eva Vishuvakyaha ayam kalaha punyaha abhidiyate. That is when these two are Vishubam. When this happens, when the sun and the moon are in these two positions, or vice versa, Vishubam is the kalam, the time is called Vishuva or equinox. So punyaha kalaha abhidiyate. Now this is called a punya kalam. Because he says this is a punya kalam, Tada Danadideyani Devebhyaha Prayatatmabihi. Prayata Atmabihi, those who are very pious people, those who want to do everything Dharma Purvakam ye kartum icchanti, te tu Devebhyaha Danani Dadati. So the Deyani, it has to be given to the Devas by people who are very strict in their observations, who are very observances. When they do penance or vratam ityadikam tu ye nischayena niyamapurvakam acharanti, te tu vishuvakale punyakalaha iti karanat tatra danani dadati. Brahmanebhyaha pitribhyaha mukham etat tu danajam dattadanastu vishuve kritakrityaha abhijayate. Brahmanebhyaha api saha dadati. So this, the Brahmanebhyaha pitribhyascha goes with the earlier shloka. So Devebhyaha, Brahmanebhyaha, pitribhyah cha danadi diyante deyani. Danam etc. has to be given to devas, pitris and brahmanas. These are the three categories that we always do tarpanam for. That is, tarpanam is not just the pitrika tarpanam. Tarpanam is preeti. Tarpanam, the literal meaning of tarpanam is preenanam. You are trying to please these three categories of people. Danajam mukham etat Vishuvam tu the mukham, Danajam mukham. So this is the entrance, or this is the best time for dana. Hence, it is also the beginning of a time for giving danam to all of these three kinds of people who are devas, manushyas, devas, brahmanas and pitris. So, the Danajam Mukham etat. Mukham is Pramukham. Pramukham Kalam. This is the best time, and any happiness that comes out of it is also because of Dana. Dattadanastu kritakrityaha Vishuve dattadanaha Vishuvakale yaha danam dadati saha kritakrityaha abhijayate. He becomes very successful. That is, he has become a person who has attained Janma Saphalyam. One who has attained the fruit for this Janma is when he gives Danam during this Vishuvakalam. Any Punyakalam. Now he moves on to which are all the Punyakalas that is there. In the context, it is like a slight diversion because he talked about Vishuvam and then said that Vishuvaha eva Punyakalaha. Tasmin kale eva danadi datavyani. Then immediately he moves on to what are all the Punyakala. So Ahoratra, not only Punyakala but Vibhaga, sorry, not Punyakalam, he is talking about the Vibhagam. So Yagadi Punyakala Jnapanartham Ahoratradi Vibhagaha kriyate. So Ahoratra Ardhamasaha tu Kalaha Kashtaha Kshanaha Tata. So you go from this side. So Kshana, Kashta, Kala. Kshanam is a moment, then is Kashta, then you have Kala, and then Ahoratram. Ahoratram is night and day. Ardhamasaha, 15 days, which is a fortnight. Paurnamasi, Purnima Nakshatram, Tatha Gneya, Purnima Nakshatram illa, adhaadu Purnima full moon day. Tatha Gneyaha, Gneya Amavasya. Amavasya is new moon, where there is no Chandra. Tathaivacha, Sinivali Kuhuschaiva, Ekacha, Anumatis, Tatha. These three also we saw when we saw the Inge Patoma, illa. Bhagavatatla Pato. Taking two Puranas side by side, I don't know where I said which one. Sini, Kuhu, and Anumati are the three children of, I think, Dharma or someone there in the Swayambhuva Manu and the wife. They have three daughters, Prasuti, Akuti and Devahuti. Devahuti's children were 9 daughters and 1 child who is Kapila. And then Akuti had a couple of children, Prasuti had a couple of children. So their Santati was being described, and these three are the Abhimani Devatas who were born there. So the Sinivali and Kuhu and Anumati are actually one before or one after Paurnamasi, or one before or after Amavasya. So they are the Abhimani Devatas for that time. So the Prathama usually is an Anadhyayana Dinam, but it is a Punyakalam for certain other things. That is why he has mentioned that also here. So this is a Punyakalam for certain type of yagas. Okay. Tapas tapasyo madhumadhavau cha shukrashuchischayanam uttaram syat nabho nabhasyo cha ishas tathorjaha sahas sahasyo iti dakshinam tat. These are all the names of the months. The months' names start with Chaitra Vaishakha. In Tamil we say Chitra Vaikashi Ani Adi Avani Pordu. In Sanskritam we start usually with Chaitra Vaishakha etc. Here he starts off with the Ayanam month. Tapas, Tapasyo, Madhu, Madhavo, Shukraha, Shuchihi. These are the 6 months which constitute the Uttarayanam. The Uttarayanam starts off from January 15th, which is Maghamasam. That is Masi. இல்லையா? ஒரு தை அப்புறம் மாசி பங்குனி இல்லையா? பட் தென் அவர் உத்தராயணம் ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் லேட்டர். இட்ஸ் a little உத்தராயண புண்ணியகாலம் ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப்டர் அவர் தமிழ் மாதம். ஸோ த தமிழ் மந்த் இஸ் different from the Sanskritam month. So the Sanskritam month to the last 2 months actually are the first 2 months, which is Magha Masa and Phalguna Masa. Their other names are Tapas and Tapasya. Madhu and Madhava are Chaitra Vaishakha. Shukra and Shuchi are Ashwina and Kartika. Nabho Nabhasya is Shravana and Bhadrapada. Correct? Correct. சொல்றேன் நினைக்கிறேன். Ashwina, Ashadha, Jyeshtha and Ashadha are Shukra and Shuchi. Shravana Bhadrapada is Nabho Nabhasyo, Raghuvamshatla varum. Raghuvamsha 12th Sarga, we had how Kabandha lifts off Sita from between Rama and Lakshmana. This is like avagraha iva. Nabho Nabhasyantara avagraham iva. Iti. So Nabhaha is Shravana Masam, Nabhasya is Bhadrapada Masa, Ashwina Kartika is after that. Ishaha is Ashwina, Urja is Kartika Masam, Sahaha Sahasya are Margashirsha and Pausha. Okay. So these are the 6 months for Dakshinayana. Nabho Nabhasyo, Ishastatha Urjaha, Sahas Sahasyo iti Dakshinam tat. Lokalokascha Yashailaha, Praguktaha Bhavato Maya, Lokapalastu Chatvaraha Tatra Tishtanti Suvrataha. We spoke about the Lokaloka Parvatam before. Maya iti Parasharena, Bhavataha iti Maitreyasya Prak Uktaha. It was said before about one Parvatam called a Lokaloka Parvatam. This is the end of our Brahmandam. That Lokaloka Parvata is where there is Andhakaram beyond. Lokapalaha tu Chatvaraha Tatra Tishtanti Suvrataha. Suvrataha Vrata Yuktaha Chatvaraha Lokapalaha Tishtanti. There are 4 Lokapalas who are standing there. Their names are Sudhama Shankapachaiva Kardamasya Atmajau Dvija. He Dvija Maitreya Kardamasya Putrau Dvau. We only know of Kardama Prajapati and Devahuti. Their children were 9 daughters with 1 Kapilavatara. That's all we know. There were 2 sons also for him. So Sudhama Shankapatcha Kardamasya Atmajau Kardama Prajapatehe Sutau Hiranyaroma Chaiva Anyaha Chaturthaha Ketuman. Hiranyaroma and Ketuman are 2 others who were also the Lokapalas who were standing in the Lokaloka Parvatam. Nirdvandvaha Nirabhimanaha Nistandraha Nishparigrahaha Lokapalaha Sthitaha Hyete Lokaloke Chaturdisham. These 4 are standing at the Lokaloka Parvatam, and they are Nistandraha. They do not have any Nirdvandvaha. They do not suffer from the duality. That is Sukham, Dukkham, Ityadikam tu Tatra Tesham na Vidya na Badhate iti Tatra. So they are not affected by the dualities of nature. So they are Nirdvandvaha. Nirabhimanaha. They do not have any abhimanam. Abhimanam is garvam. They do not have any garva or selfishness that with which they behave. That is, I am a Lokapala who is taking care of this Lokaloka Parvata iti tadrishaha garvastu nasti iti nirabhimanaha. They are without any abhimana there. That is, they do it as a method of duty. That's all. And then Nistandraha, they are not lazy. That is, they are always active here. The last one is Nishparigraha. Parigraha here is dependency. They do not have any the parigrahanam ityukte panigrahana rupena ye tatra kutumbastaha vartante tadrisha parigraha nasti iti. They are not bothered by any dependence here. The single people who are just taking care of this Lokaloka Parvatam. They are Lokapalas. Lokapalaha hete sthitaha lokaloke chaturdisham. On Lokaloka Parvatam, on all 4 directions, these 4 people are standing. They are the best people to stand there because they are not worried about any other disturbances. Uttaram yat Agastyasya Ajavithyaha Dakshinam Pitrayanaha Savai Vaishwanara Pathat Bahihi. Agastyasya अजवीथ्याः दक्षिणं उत्तरं यत् अगस्त्यस्य that which is north of Agastya, अजवीथ्याः दक्षिणं that which is the south of Ajaviti. All these are technical terms which we will come to. These are all names given to the path of the sun and the path between constellations. Okay, so Pitrayanaha Savai Pantaha, north of Agastya's route and south of Ajaviti, there is a route which is called the Pitrayanam, or the path of the Pitris, ancestors. Savai Pantaha Vaishwanara Pathat Bahihi, it is away from the Vaishwanara Margam. Each of these margas are given based on the nakshatra. So 3 of those nakshatras, இது மாதிரி ராசி எடுத்துக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, it is very similar to the rashi. So each rashi is a constellation. We call it rashi on the paper for horoscope. It is a path that the sun takes through the constellation. Okay, so each one of those paths are named, each one of those rashis are actually paths which have a name for them. Okay, so you take the nakshatras, divide it into 3. 27 will be divided into 3. So Ashwini, Bharani and Kritikaha षट् वर्तन्ते खलु, तस्मात् there are 6 kritika pengal irukka illaya, they are the adidevatas for the kritika nakshatra. So kritika nakshatram is always not in singular, but you have to use bahuvachanam for kritika nakshatram. So kritikaha iti, Ashwini, Bharani and Kritikaha form the Nagavithi. Gajavithi is Rohini, Mrigashira and Ardra. Airavati margam is Airavata. Gajavithi is different from Airavatam. That is a Daiva Gajam, right? So that is the Vithi which has the 3 constellations of Punarvasu, Pushyaha and Asleshaha. This is also a cluster of stars. Arshabi or Rishabha, Rishabhasya Panthaha, Maghaha, Uttara Phalgunihi, Purva Phalgunihi. Govithi involves Hasta Nakshatram, Chitra and Swati. Jaradgava Vithihi is Vithi Vishakhe. Vishakha is a binary star. So you have 2 stars there, that is why it is in dual here. So Vishakhe, Anuradha and Jeshtha. Ajaviti involves Moolam, Purvashadha and Uttarashadha. Mrigavithi is Shravanaha, Dhanishta and Shatabhishak. The final one is Vaishwanari, Purva Bhadrapada, Uttara Bhadrapade and Revati. These 2 are also binary stars. That is why you have it in dual. Now you see that Ajavithi is here. So Ajavityaha Dakshinam, Vaishwanarat Bahihi. So it is, in general, you can say that it is the Mrigavithi. Around the Mrigavithi, you have this Pitrayanaha. Okay, so yeah, Agasthyasya Uttaram. This eppadinla representation, you have to look at the constellation map or some such picture to understand where each one is. Okay, Tatra Asate Mahatmanaha Rishayaha, Tatra Asate Mahatmanaha Rishayaha Ye Agnihotrinaha Bhutarambha Kritam Brahma Shamsantaha Ritvig Udyataha. Why are we talking about this Pitra Jnanam? Vaishwanara Pathat Bahihi Yat Yaha Pitrayanaha Vartate iti. What is that margam of Pitris? That is where rishis are present. See, we do so much of our punya karma in this world. We want to know where we will end up. If we want to know. Some people don't even want to know. It's all too confusing. Somewhere we will go. That's fine. But then there are people who are extremely curious about what our end will be. Where will we go and stay? How long will we stay? Will we have again a punarjanma of a kita or kakapakshi? Something like that. There is so much curiosity in people. So for them, these are the answers. So tatra pitriyane asate mahatmanaha rishayaha. So the great people, rishis, Ye Agnihotrinaha, those who have performed Agnihotra every day, Bhutarambha Kritam Brahma Shamsantaha Ritvik Udyataha. That is where Brahma, Bhutarambha Kritam, where Brahma, who has started this Bhuta Arambham, and that is probably the path towards Brahma. Udyataha Ritvijaha Shamsantaha. Those Ritviks who are the Ritviks that is where they stay, and they start this duty of creation and everything, because of whom this creation all started. So they are there. இது வந்து என்னன்னா, every day there is a pralaya, right? 3 worlds are destroyed, and those 3 worlds have to be recreated. For the recreation of those 3 worlds, bhuta aramba kritam brahma tatraiva vidyate iti ritvajaha vadanti. Is that clear? And Ritviks, these people are staying there and prompting that bhutaramba. Prarabhante tu ye lokaha tesham panthaha sadakshinaha chalitam te punar brahma sthapayanti yuge yuge. Yuge yuge, at the beginning of every yuga, ye lokaha prarabhante, those worlds which are being started, tesham panthaha sadakshinaha, that the path from which all of these creations start off is from this Pitriyanam. Chalitam te punar brahma sthapayanti yuge yuge, because Pitris are the ones who are again reborn in the same place, or they if they want they will, otherwise they will stay as Pitris. It depends on the karmas they have performed. Okay, so punaha brahma sthapayanti yuge yuge, again and again he will he brahman iti atra okay, or is it brahma pakre illa punar brahma iti, it is an address to Maitreya here. So punaha yuge yuge chalitam, whatever has gone will be again established, re-established. The interrupted the rituals that have already started in this world, again it will be stopped by pralaya. Again when the lokas are created, it will again be sthapayanti, they will again re-establish all of these rituals. Santatya tapasa chaiva maryadabhihi shrutena cha jayamanastu purve cha paschimanam griheshu cha. These Pitras who have gone and stayed in that Pitriyanam, santatya tapasa, by penance or santati, whether it is rebirth, one coming from the other. How does all this happen? They will be reborn in the same house of the Paschima. Purvecha, those who were born before, Purve Jayamanaha, those who were born before, Paschimanam Griheshu Bhai, they will again be born in their lineage, again and again. Sometimes because they want that, they have done so much of good karma that they will again be born in that same lineage. Because of these reasons. What are the reasons? Santatya, because of the santati that they have maintained. Tapasa, because of the tapas that they have been performing. And then maryada, the customs and observances that they have been doing for so many centuries, and the progeny is also following all of that. And shrutena, or it can be because of the Vedas and learning that they have accumulated in their time. Seeing that, the Pitras are attracted and they will again come and be born in the same family. Okay. Paschimaschaiva purvesham jayante nidhaneshu hi. Paschimaha api, those who were born later. So the purve jayamanaha, the ones who were born earlier, will be born again to the people who were later. So the one who is Prapautraha eva tatra prapitamaha bhavati prayaha na janimaha, right? So purvesham jayante, those who were born later now become the purva, and for them the paschima will be born. Abdi nidhaneshu after death. So after death, the earlier people will be born, and in succession to their descendants themselves. Okay. In a way of reincarnation, sometimes they have the choice of being born in the same family itself. Evam avartamanaha te tishtanti niyatavrataha savituhu dakshinam margam shritaha achandra tarakam. Achandra tarakam evam avartamanaha, revolving in this manner, going up and down in this manner, Niyatavrataha, those who perform the vratas in a very proper format, they evam tishtanti. They stand in this following manner until Shritaha, Dakshinam, Savituhu, Dakshinam Margam Shritaha, catching hold of that southern path of sun, which is the Pitriyanam, they stay there until A Chandra Tarakam, till the end of Chandra and Nakshatra. Nagavithi uttaram yacha saptarshibhyaha dakshinam uttaraha savituhu panthaha devayanaha cha smritaha. Now, if I'll just go back to this, Nagavithi is the first one here. Okay, Ashwini Bharani and Kritikaha. So, Nagavithi uttaram, to the north of the Nagavithi, saptarishibhyaha dakshinam, south of the Saptarishi Mandalam, Uttaraha Savituhu Panthaha, to the north of the path of Surya, is the Devayana, the path of the Devas. Tatrate Vasinaha Siddhaha. So Pitriyane tu Agnihotranaha Vartante. Karmakande Yesham Pravrittihi Vartate, te tu Pitriyane Vartante, because they are involved in this Karmakandam and they go there. Now here you find Siddhas here in the Devayana. Tatrate Vasinaha Siddhaha Vimalaha Brahmacharinaha Santatim te Jugupsanti Tasmat Tasman Mrityurjitascha Taihi. They do not want Santati. They do not want to keep coming back into the Pitra themselves. They Santatim te Jugupsanti. They look at that lineage with disgust. Because they are Siddhaha, they are Siddha Purushas, Vimalaha, they are pure because they are not attached by the objects of desire, Brahmacharinaha, they are celibates, they do not marry at all, and Santatim Jugupsanti, they do not like this attachment of lineage. So Tasmat Mrityuhu Taihi Jitaha. So death, Mrityu has been won over, has been conquered by them. So they are standing in the Devayana. Tatra Vasanti. Ashtashiti Sahasrani Munina Murdhvaretasam Udakpanthanam Aryamnaha Sthitani Abhuta Samplavam. Abhuta Samplavam. And they stand in that place, or they live in that place for Ashta Ashiti Sahasranam Muninam Urdhvaretasam Udakpantanam Aryamnaha Sthita. They enjoy immortality for a long time there, until the end of Kalpa. Okay. 80,000 of those beings are constantly there until the destruction of the universe. Okay. Now I'll look at the Vyakhyanam if he has anything. 1 minute. 87. Aryamnaha. Aryama is Savita. That is Suryaha. Suryasya Udakpanthanam, north. To the north of this, that's what we said, right? Devayanam. So to the north of this Surya, Panthanam, Uttaram Margam Sthitani, that is they are Ashritaha, Santaha. What do? Abhuta Samplavam, until the Bhutanam Pralaya Paryantam. You can take this as Sthitaha or Sthitani. Ashtashiti Sahasrani iti. So Muninam Ashtashiti Sahasrani. 80,000 of these Munis are standing there. That is why the Napunsakalingam also fits in this case of doing. Or you can say Ashtashiti Sahasranam Muninam. Actually, it should be Ashtashiti Sahasrani only. You can't have it as Saptami Bahuvachanam there. You have to take it as Sthitani or Sthitaha. Munayaha Sthitaha iti Vaktum Shakyate. So Abhuta Samplavam. Until the Pralayam, all of these 80,000 people, Urdhvaretasaha, that is they are Brahmacharis. The rate of Patanam tu na bhavati teshamiti. So they do not take up a wife and enjoy. So they are all Brahmacharis. They stand to the north of this sun. So Aryamnaha Udakpanthanam Sthitani, standing there, they stay there until the Pralayam. Te Asamprayogat लोभस्य मैथुनस्य च वर्जनात् इच्छाद्वेषा प्रवृत्त्या च भूतारम्भविवर्जनात् पुनश्च काम असंयोगात् शब्दादेः दोषदर्शनात् इत्येभिः कारणैः शुद्धाः ते अमृतत्वं हि भेजिरे. They are immortal. The amritatvam bhejire, they take to immortality because of these reasons. What are the reasons here? Lobhasya asamprayogat. Asamprayogat, without that lobha, without assorting or without sorting to resorting to lobha, greed. So they do not have that avarice that we all have, that we want to possess. That lobha is not present for that. Lobhasya asamprayogat. Exactly. It is the same stitadhir muniruchyate iti Bhagavad Gitayam yad vartate tadeva atrapi. Maithunasya varjanat. Avoiding maithunam, union. That is sex between people, right? So that is maithunam. Avoiding maithunam. Ichha dvesha pravrittya. Ichha dvesha apravrittya. Without involving in either desire or hatred. Bhuta arambha vivarjanat. You are avoiding this beginning of bhutam. That is bhuta arambha ityukte, you want to create a progeny or you want to create something. None of those is there in their mind at all. Something like Sanat Kumaras. Punascha kama asamyogat. They do not have the desire to again be reborn. Shabdadehe dosha darshanat, because they understand the doshas that are involved with respect to the sense organs. So Shabda, Rasa, Rupa, Gandha, Ityadehe, Ityadinam doshaha vidyante iti darshanat, because they have seen that very clearly. All of these objects in the world and the sense organs, the senses, perception, etc. is filled with dosha. Ityebihi karanaihi, because of these reasons, te shuddhaha, they are very pure, and amritatvam bhejire, they become immortal. Abhuta samplavam sthanam amritatvam vibhavyate trailokya sthitikaaloyam apunarmara uchyate. Abhuta samplavam sthanam amritatvam. What is this amritatvam? Amritatvam means it is staying until the end of bhuta samplava. Samplava ityukte pralayaha. So bhuta samplava paryantam, bhuta pralaya paryantam sthitam bhavati taihi iti karanat tatra tesham amritatvam ityuchyate. Trailokya sthitikaalaha ayam. This is the time frame for this standing is only for the Trilokyam, only until the Bhurbhuva Swaha, only until these three lokas are standing there. Until then, they do not come back for Janma. That is, it is still Brahma's one day, right? When one day is over, then Triloka Pralayaha happens. Until that time, they stay. They do not take another Janma. So, apunar maraha. Tesham tu maranam nasti. Punaha maranam nasti tatparyantam. Pralaya paryantam. Okay. Brahmahatya ashwamedhabhyam papa punya krito vidhihi abhuta samplavantantu phalamuktam tayor dvija. Hey Dvija, he is talking about two extremes. One is an extreme of papa, the other is the extreme of punya. If you have done both, then that papam or punyam is going to stay there until the end of the pralayam, Triloka pralayam. Not the Mahapralayam. Okay, there is a Dainika Pralayam. There are 5 types of pralayas. If there is a Mahapralayam also. So we are talking about only Trailokya Sthitikalaha. Abhuta samplava antam, until the end of the Pralaya Kalam. Brahmahatya ashwamedabhyam phalam uktam. So punya papakritaha vidhihi brahmahatyaya papakritaha vidhihi vartate. So when you do a brahmahatya is killing of Brahmins. So brahmahatyaya papakritaha vidhihi vartate. There is a vidhi or a niyama which is because of papam, which is created by the papam, namely brahmahatya. ashwamedhayagena yajnena tatra punyakritaha vidhihi uchyate. There is a vidhi with respect to punyam that you have acquired because of doing Ashwamedha Yagam. Now, the phalam that arises from both of them, whether it is papam or punyam, the phalam tayoho tu asamplavantam phalam uktam. The phalam that arises from both of those will stay until the end of Triloka Pralayam. यावन्मात्रे प्रदेशे तु मैत्रेय अवस्थितः ध्रुवः क्षयमायाति तावत्तु भूमेः आभूत संप्लवात्. आभूत, there should be a space here. If it is in Dvitiya Vibhakti like here, then you should do it in a Samastapadam. If it is in Panchami Vibhakti, then you make it into two separate words. A samplavat, asamplavam iti ekam padam. So yavanmatre pradeshe tu Maitreya, he Maitreya, until the place where Dhruva is standing. Dhruvaha avasthitaha, yavanmatre pradeshe Dhruvaha avasthitaha, until the place where Dhruva is standing. Tavat bhumehe kshayam ayati. During bhuta samplava, bhumi's kshayam, the destruction of bhumi will happen until the place where Dhruva is standing, excluding Dhruva's position. So Dhruva is going to be there until Mahapralayam, right? Because he has to start again with Krita Yugam. So, or the Yuga Pralayam, whichever you want to say. Depends on which Yuga Dhruva is born. Kalpam, which Kalpam he is born. We don't know. So Yavanmatra Pradesha, until the Pradesha where Dhruva is, Bhumi gets destroyed, excluding Dhruva's place. That is called Bhuta Samplavam.
என்னோட புக்ல பூமேஹே ஆபூத சம்ப்ளவே அப்படின்னு இருக்கு.
ஆபூத சம்ப்ளவேயா? அது தப்பு. அது மாத்தின்றுமோ? சௌகாம்பால பார்க்குறேன், ஒரே நிமிஷம். சப்தமி வரக்கூடாது. ஏதாவது புராணம்னுட்டு we can say it as Arsha Prayoga, because usually you have it as either Panchami or you can have it as Dvitiya. Bhuta Samplavamnu இதில் இருக்கு. சௌகாம்பால பார்த்தோம்னா ஆபூத சம்ப்ளவாத்து தான் இருக்கு. ஆனால் பிரிச்சுடணும் அதை. சப்தமி இஸ் ஆர்ஷ பிரயோகம்னு போட்டுப்போமே. இல்லை, அதை வந்து யூ கேன் டேக் இட் ஆஸ் அ மிஸ்டேக். சரியா? ஸ்டாப் வித் திஸ். நாராயணம் நமஸ்கிருத்ய நரம் செய்வ நரோத்தமம் தேவீம் சரஸ்வதிம் வாச்சம் ததோ ஜெயமுதீரயேத்.
இந்த ப்ரீவியஸ் ரெண்டு ஸ்லோகால நீங்க இம்மார்டாலிட்டின்னு சொன்னீங்களே, அது வந்து ஜீவன் முக்தாவா எடுத்துக்கணுமா அப்படின்னா?
இல்லை, ஜீவன் முக்தம்ங்கிறது வேற. ஜீவன் முக்திங்கிறது ஜீவதி சதி முக்தா. ஸோ விச் மீன்ஸ் he is still in this world. He is still of this world. Videha mukti, one who has attained moksha, or one who wants to go through the upasana margam and become a muni, avalukku adha sollanum.
Okay.
Ama, you can't call them as jeevan mukta. In the munis ellam vandu siddha purushas who want to stay in this world, but they have gone through multiple levels. So in the Chandogya Upanishadla la vandu upasana margathla you go through one the world after the other. அந்த மாதிரி தேவயானத்தில் இருக்கிறவாய்வா. They have become divine beings, but they do not want to let go of that ஸ்வர்க சுகம். அது இன்னும் இருக்குது அவளுக்கு. அந்த மாதிரி எடுத்துக்கணும். இல்லை, முனிவர்கள் ஒரு பர்பஸுக்காக வேணுங்கிறச்சே they will show themselves, otherwise they will be as siddhas. They are meditating. அவ்வளோதான்.
முமுக்ஷு சொல்வாளா?
முமுக்ஷுங்கிறதும் வந்து it is of the world, no? It's still a person who wants to attain moksha. Moktum ichha yasya vartate sayeva mumukshu iti. So these are not that kind of people. These are immortal people who want to stay and see the world's destruction and the creation of the world. And the madri. These are all more like devayonis. Okay. Any other routes?
வாட்ஸ்அப்ல நீங்க அனுப்புறீங்களா?
நான் அனுப்புறேன். ஷூர்.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
எனக்கு இதுல ஒரு டவுட் இருக்கு, ஜஸ்ட் அவுட் ஆஃப் கியூரியாசிட்டி. இப்போ வந்து இப்போ பித்ருக்களா ஆனப்புறம் தே ஹாவ் டூ சாய்ஸ் எதர் டு டேக் பர்த் இன் த சேம் கோத்ரம் ஆர் சேம் ஃபேமிலி ஆர் டு ஸ்டே லைக் அ சித்த புருஷா, ரைட்? லைக் தென் வை வுட் எனிபடி வாண்ட் டு கம் பேக் அகெயின்?
இருக்கு, டிசையர் இருந்தால் வருவாள்.
ஓ,
இன்னொன்று, இட் இஸ் நாட் நெசசரி தட் ஆல் பித்ருஸ் வில் பி ஸ்டேயிங் தேர். டிபெண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் தேர் பாப புண்ணிய விசேஷம்.
ஓ, அங்கே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ், செகண்ட் கிளாஸ், தேர்ட் கிளாஸ்
எல்லாம் உண்டு.
ஓகே.
க்ஷீணய புண்ணிய மர்த்தியலோகம் விசந்தி. அது
அது எல்லா இடத்துலயும் வருது. ஓகே ஓகே.
அது வந்து யாரா இருந்தாலுமே, பித்ருக்களா இருந்தாலும் சரி, தேவர்களா இருந்தாலும், இந்திரனே இருந்தாலும் சரி, க்ஷீணய புண்ணிய கல்தா அவன் கழுத்துல வந்து பிடிச்சி தள்ளிவிடுவான் கீழே.
ஆனா இது எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சாரு? ஸ்டெடியா ஒரு 80,000 பீப்புள் அங்க இருக்கான்னு என்ன சென்சஸ் எடுத்த மாதிரி அழகா கிளீனா
See,
சொல்லியிருக்காரு.
that is the vision of people, no? நமக்கு அந்த விஷன் தெரியாது. It's something beyond. We are trying to look at visions of people whom we can't even understand. There are scientists who discover so many things. எப்படி அவளால கண்டுபிடிக்க முடிச்சதுன்னா that is their vision, no? See, they have come up with so many different things. Today, we can't even think about it. இன்னும் எனக்கு ஒருத்தர் சொல்லுவா, இங்கே சுவிட்ச் அமுத்தினா அங்கே லைட்டு வருதுங்கிறதே இஸ் லைக் அ மேஜிக் ஃபார் அஸ். We are such simple people in that manner. We can only understand, oh, they are saying some wire, some AC, some DC, somewhere there is current, someone is sending, ஏதோ சொல்றா. But we believe it. It's because that is the vision of certain great people who have discovered certain things. This is our what they have tried to discover. அதுதானே நம்ம
ஸ்பீக்கிங் ஆஃப் விச் இன்னைக்கு ஒருத்தர் அமைச்சிருந்தா இந்த ஹோல் பிசிக்ஸ்ல ஏதோ சம்திங் அட்வான்ஸ் திங் இஸ் லைக் அல்டிமேட்லி இட் இஸ் சிவாஸ் காஸ்மிக் டான்ஸ் லைக் ஒண்ணுமே புரியல ஏன்னா அந்த சயின்டிபிக் டர்ம்ஸ். பட்
இப்போ இதை நம்பர் தான் அதை நம்பர் தானும் தெரியாது. நம்புறதுங்கிற பாசிபிலிட்டியே வேண்டாம். We can only think about, like, people have seen this இல்லையா, மந்திர திரஷ்டா மாதிரி. People have seen those mantras.
These are beyond the human perception. நம்மளோட sensory organs. அதனால பேசாம சரணாகதி அடைக்க.
We are trying to see it with our இந்த மாம்ச கண்ணுனால நம்ம வந்து பார்க்க ட்ரை பண்றோம் இல்ல, which is difficult. They have all used யோகஜ பிரத்யக்ஷம். நம்ம எங்க அதுல ஏமாத்துறோம். அவ்வளோதான். அப்படி எடுத்துட்டோம்னா இட்ஸ் ஈஸியர் ரிகன்சைல் பண்ணிக்க முடியும் நிறைய விஷயங்கள். ஓகே, ரைட்.
எனக்கு ஒரே ஒரு இந்த क्वेश्चन
Recording stopped.
இது ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடுறேன்.
ரெக்கார்டிங் எத்தனை பாயிண்ட்?
இல்ல பரவாயில்ல, ஐ வில் ஜஸ்ட் ஸ்டாப்.